morning, New York. Wow. I don't think this view will ever get old. Got my robe on, I feel good. Good morning everyone, happy Vlogmas day 19. I'm literally obsessed with the Williamsburg Hotel, you guys. I will have a link to them down below. It's just like, oh my gosh, this hotel is so cool, and the view, as you guys saw this morning, is just so amazing. I'm like really starting to love Brooklyn. Like I see the appeal as to why people like to live there. So now, we are going to walk over to a coffee shop called Toby's Estate that our friend Sam told us to go to, and we have to edit yesterday's Vlogmas, so I thought it would be some good vibes. And then after that, we're gonna come back, drop off our laptops and all that fun stuff, and then we're going to meet Daily! Guys, Daily! You guys know Daily. We are hallmates at University of Georgia, and she's gonna be in New York City today too, so I'm really pumped. I'm like so pumped, and well, Joey's already met her actually. But yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit really quick, then we have to go. So I'll probably change after the coffee shop, but more pictures, am I right? Like, so it's a little bit warmer out today, so I'm wearing this black crop top from Forever 21, these fun pants from Forever 21, and my Vince slip-ons. Yes, I still brought them, and I'll probably just throw over my IMG coat and call it a day. It feels good outside. Like, yeah, I'm wearing a jacket, but like I'm not like, woo. Like this is like the ideal weather.
Of, woo.
This is honestly like fall weather right now. Yeah. And I'm so okay with it. Look, Joey's beard's gone.
Yeah, she made me shave it.
My mom's gonna be mad, but your mom's gonna be happy.
Yeah, I don't know, mixed feelings.
This is a huge sandwich, and I'm so okay with that. I also got an iced latte without vanilla. I'm pretty proud of myself. All right, quick outfit change before heading into the city. I'm wearing the same shirt. This coat is actually from Forever 21. Thigh boots, belt from Verge Girl, and he just added a coat because he got cold. After like 1,000 subways, we finally made it. Got a little lost.
We're okay.
But we're chilling.
We're doing okay.
We made it. We have to cross. Why aren't we able to cross? Look who it is! And this is Liam. Say hi. He comments every now and then.
Oh yeah.
So I love it. So now I can look out for...
I didn't know if it was like weird. I don't know.
No, it makes me happy. And there's Joey.
Still here. Still alive.
Yay! So we're gonna take some pictures in front of the tree because we're basic like that. And yeah, go dog! Go dog! So if you guys saw my vlog from like 2 weeks ago, Brooke and I went to the Plaza Hotel and we went downstairs to the food hall to get lunch or dinner. So now we're gonna go there for some lunchy lunch. I'm so excited because they have watermelon there and I'm craving some fruit. So also, comment down below if you guys knew that the Tipton Hotel is based off of the Plaza Hotel. Yep, uh-huh. Yeah. Alright, so we finally found a seat and some food. We got some salads and I got my watermelon and these really cute Fred waters. Hi Dad, I know you're watching this. And it's perfect so you can refill it and then you can just pop it in your purse. It's like nice and sleek, so yay. And then we were waiting on Daly and Liam. They're getting their food and yay.
I'm not singing.
So we wanted to find some peace amidst the craziness of the city, the hustle and bustle.
It's so crazy.
We came to Central Park because it's the calmest
wonderful time of the year.
There'll be parties for hosting, marshmallows for toasting, and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. Wow.
It's like really great.
Okay. We found a nice bench, listening to some jazz music. Well, it's Christmas music, but it's with the saxophone, I think. That sounds so nice.
Have fun.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas. That's news to me. Found a pretty bridge. I put on my hat, got a little chillier out. Oh, you took off your hat.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling it.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
I can't make a joke.
I've told Joey like actually 1,000 times I'm craving
Funnel cakes. We haven't found one yet though.
I want a funnel cake.
I'll find one. I promise.
All right, you ready to go to your place, Joe? I guess I'm going alone now because I called you Joe. We found ourselves in St. Patrick's Cathedral. I'm literally vlogging and I don't even know why I'm doing this. This is stupid. I'm in so much crowd. So much crowd.
I can't even hear you. How are they going to?
Hey, homie. We went to St. Patrick's Cathedral and we listened to a high school perform Christmas songs. It was really nice. And now we found ourselves in front of Saks Fifth Avenue where they do like this amazing light show. And I want Joey to see a little bit of it, so I'm hoping it'll start soon. It's like, that is it. So beautiful. Isn't it so
magical day?
I was just gonna say, isn't it so magical?
It is.
Also, shout out to Emily. I just met a great subscriber. She was really nice.
From Long Island.
From Long Island. So shout out to you, girl. Thanks for saying hey. We are now waiting for a Subway. We're starting to figure it out a little bit more. And we're taking a Subway to Washington Square Park area. And we're gonna go eat at this restaurant called The Smith. That if you guys watch my vlog, clearly I just like to go to the same places. But it's a really good restaurant and I wanted Joey to see it. I went there with Kevin and Brooke 2 weeks ago. So.
Yeah, second that.
Guys, I found a Baked by Melissa and you bet your bottom dollar I'm getting some. I know you want some, right?
No, you should know. I mean, yes. What's my answer?
Joey, I'm gonna make you try one. They're literally so good. They're like mini cupcakes. We're going. Guys, I have been craving these cupcakes ever since ever. And I got a 25 pack because Joey thinks I'm crazy, but they're little. I'm gonna make you try one. They're small, good cupcakes.
I approve. I just didn't know what was happening.
I know. All right, we're here.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I am too. It's really cute in here. Hopefully there's no wait. I don't think there, oh yeah, we're good. It's so.
Finally made it. This is it.
I got spaghetti and meatballs 2 nights in a row. Go Dogs. Woo! Where are we going?
So many people.
Oh my God, everyone's going home from work. Oh, this is gonna be packed. Real life New York commute, everybody. Home sweet home.
Say that.
Home sweet home.
Yeah.
Back at the crib. What movie do you want to watch? So I think we're gonna dig into some of these Baked by Melissa. I'm gonna make Joey try them. I can't get over the fact that this is my view and I get to travel and be around people that I love. So I guess thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I love you guys so much. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to see pictures from this week. And follow me on Dote. Alright guys, you know the drill. We're going to be opening day 19 of my Vlogmas gift. You guys can follow me on Dote. They've been giving me a gift every day throughout Vlogmas for me to open in front of you guys, which is awesome. And if you follow me on Dote, you'll be entered into a giveaway to win an IMG jacket, Black Ray-Ban aviators, and some cool gold star earrings. So definitely do that. So just follow me on Dote. It's an app. So fun. So this one says, Mary, Mary. Here we go. It says ASOS. I'm intrigued. Oh my gosh. These are like mini versions of the starry earrings that I have right now. Oh my gosh. I love these because these are a little bit more low-key. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. I'm low-key gonna put this in my suitcase now to go to New York. So you guys might have already seen these, but these are so cute and I'm assuming they're from ASOS. Wow, thank you so much, Dote. So that was gift from day 19. If you want to be entered into the giveaway to win an IMG jacket, Black Ray-Ban aviators, and some gold star hoop earrings. I love you guys so much, seriously. Thanks so much for watching and following me along on all my adventures, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog in New York City. Bye guys.